है ही भगवान. God is omnipresent. Dima Bhagwan's eternal love for children. Spiritual knowledge, Gyan, is an ideal way to connect with God. After gaining spiritual knowledge, a man can definitely rise above all his vices. On this, a question surely arises that is there any particular age to acquire this spiritual knowledge? Is it impossible to acquire spiritual knowledge in childhood? Is it necessary to abandon other pleasures of the world in order to gain spiritual knowledge? All such questions were answered when we saw Dima Bhagwan, your love for children, and the divine play with them. Dima Bhagwan, you have always loved your children abundantly. You have taught all the children associated with satsang the right way to live life. You taught them values like adaptability, love, and modesty. You were enthusiastic to preach kids as young as 2 years old.
अगर गुस्सा आ जाए तो आपको जाके थोड़ा सा ठंडा पानी पीना चाहिए, या तो भगवान को प्रेयर करो कि भगवान मेरे गुस्से को शांत कर. कैसे प्रेयर करोगे? भगवान मेरे गुस्से को शांत कर, है ना?
You blessed the couples who were to step into the relationship of marriage with your priceless vachans as a wedding gift and taught them the value of patience in married life. Your children would share their ups and downs of life with you, and like a friend, you would listen to them, understand, and solve their problems with great love. Being the best friend of every child, toddler, through teenager and beyond, you became the key to everyone's heart. Your children have learned positivity grows when you share it. To share the positivity they gain from you, your devotees would visit many schools, colleges, and classes where they would introduce thousands of children to spirituality, motivate them to wear their smile always like a uniform, overcome anger and stress, as well as reminding them the valuable teachings of the Indian culture. You taught kids what the 5 elements of nature are and they should bow to these 5 elements.
5 तत्व: धरती, आकाश, जल, वायु, अग्नि. 5 तत्व पूरी प्रकृति में 5 तत्व का बना तेरा पिंजरा, जिसमें नारायण बोले. 5 तत्व पूरी प्रकृति में घट घटवासी, कण कणवासी, जरे जरे भगवान, हर वक्त भगवान, हर जगह भगवान, घड़ी घड़ी भगवान बसते हैं. और तेरे 5 तत्वों के पिंजरे में नारायण हर वक्त हर घड़ी बसते हैं.
You taught them that they should water the sacred plant of Mother Tulsi, that is, holy basil, offer water to Lord Sun, practice yoga and pranayam every day. Your teachings included not being stubborn and also drinking water as a remedy to control anger. By preaching such precious values, You have laid the foundation of spiritual knowledge among the children. One of the problems of children, which is very common but equally difficult, is to have a lack of interest in studies. You gave its remedy that when children get tired while studying, then they should eat your favorite prasad, that is, devotional food offering, raisins. They should look at the moon and the stars. They should look at the sky and feel its vastness, get fresh and study again. Along with this, you also taught them to feel the presence of God in books, teachers, and in their hands. You taught them to keep God in their heart and also to pray to Him to bless them with strength while every difficult situation. The children, being fond of your love, believe in everything you said, implement it, and would study diligently. In this way, you understood every pain of your children. You would also send audio vachans before exams to children.
साथ जिसके सतगुरु हैं वो हमेशा उन्नति करते हैं, सभी काम अच्छा करते हैं, पढ़ाई तो बेस्ट करते हैं। इसीलिए मेरे बच्चे अच्छी पढ़ाई करेंगे, अच्छा एग्जाम दे के आएंगे, यही मेरी दिल से दुआ है। हे भगवान,
Your vachan, fight every battle, but with love, will teach your children to fight against all the vices of theirs, laziness, and that of wasting time. During your leisure, you would sit in the balcony, enjoy the rains, or just observe Mother Nature. Sometimes you would sit in the temple area of your home and ignite diya, that is lamp, in front of Dada Bhagwan, Lakshmi Bhagwan, Dadi Bhagwan, and other idols of gods and goddesses. You would love to sit in concentration, as if you were speaking to your God as well as to your Guru. Also, sometimes you would spend time watching a spiritual show. You have always liked to keep the house like a temple, pure, cleaned, and pious. You have always loved to put your heart and soul into the daily chores of your house. The taste of the food you cooked is as pious as devotional offering. Whenever you got an opportunity, you would spend time either with your family or with your devotees to share a meal or two, to share a laugh or two. You always listened when they spoke their heart out to you and sought your guidance. During the evenings, you would do satsang over the phone at many satsang centers and made your devotees happy and joyous. You would listen to the WhatsApp voice notes from all your devotees and reply them with lots of love and affection. You studied sacred scriptures, summarized their moral, and jotted down along with your own spiritual experiences, writing the holy books of Sri Sharda Sharanam Satsang Gita, Diary, and Shastra Sar, which has simplified the journey to obtain spiritual knowledge. You have utilized your time to the best and taught your children the same thing, to always keep a watch on time, as you always believed time is more than money. At Anand Bhavan, Lonavla, you pampered your children a lot. Whenever a group of children came to Lonavla, your happiness knew no bounds. You would yourself cook their favorite dishes. Sometimes you would dance along with them, enjoy the rains, take them for a walk in the garden, and have lots of fun together. Whereas your children would also never miss a chance to reciprocate your love. Whether it is to help in the kitchen, or to clean Anand Bhavan, or to decorate the satsang hall like heaven, children in your love would do everything. We learned from you how to celebrate every festival, understanding its importance and the moral it holds.
जो बच्चे मेरे से प्यार करते हैं वो ऑलराउंड बन जाते हैं। हर एक से निभाना निपटाना सीखो। अपने देह से पूरा खाना पूरा पीना पूरी रहते रिहाण। अपने इंद्रियों से रथ मेरा मैं राजा हूँ। इंद्रियों से अच्छी सैर करो। मुख से निभाओ, मुख को साफ सुथरा रखो, अच्छी वृत्ति रखो। समाज से संसार से भी निभाना निपटाना सीखो। परिवार से भी धीरजवान बनकर खुश रहना सीखो। देव देवताओं को भी नमन करो। हर त्योहार मनाओ। हर खुशी आपकी है। आज शरद पूर्णिमा का दिन है। आपको मैंने बताया था रात को चंद्रमा भगवान की चांदनी में बैठकर खुद को मजबूत करो। मन पर शीतलता रखो। दिमाग ठंडा करो। आज शरद पूर्णिमा की चांदनी में बैठकर तपस्या करो। खीर बना के रखो। सुबह उठते प्रसाद ग्रहण करो और अगली शरद पूर्णिमा तक शीतलता की कामना करके सत्संग में हाजिर हो जाओ। इसी प्रकार मेरे बच्चे हर तरह से ऑलराउंड बनते हैं, सभी से निभाते हैं, निपटाते हैं और खुश रहते हैं। हे भगवान।
With your inspiration, children always participated actively in every satsang celebration, be it for your welcome, plays, dances, decoration, or making of prasad. In this way, you have motivated the children of Sri Sharda Sharanam Satsang to become all-rounder.
हमारी कंपनी का ऐसा रूल ही नहीं है।
हमारी कंपनी का ऐसा रूल नहीं है, थोड़ा एक्शन कर।
हमारी कंपनी का ऐसा रूल ही नहीं है।
हाँ, आपको तो पैसा लेना ही पड़ेगा।
आपको तो
देना
आपको
देना
तो पैसा देना ही पड़ेगा।
हमारी कंपनी का रूल नहीं है।
हमारी कंपनी का रूल नहीं है।
जरा बात ना बनना, हमारी कंपनी का रूल नहीं है।
हमारी कंपनी का रूल नहीं है।
Who, along with advancements in spiritual knowledge, also make other worldly progress. In studies, job, or business, or to win everyone's heart at home. You said that the one who is happily fit in his or her family is always hit, that is successful. Seeing your unique relationship with every child, it felt as if you simplified and explained spirituality to even the youngest child, helped everyone realize that they exist as a form of God itself and not as a being. You proved that even the children in the womb are also capable of understanding spiritual knowledge. It is not at all impossible to gain spiritual knowledge in childhood in Sri Sharda Sharanam Satsang.
चली जाती है
विश्वास आता है, तभी इस भूखे मन को वैराग्य प्रतिरोध मिलता है। हम
You never let children renounce their possessions. Instead, you taught them to use them properly. Your belief, God is omnipresent, inherited respect for the possessions in your children. Thus, they will surely never think of misusing them. We salute you for the efforts that you had taken for the betterment of children.
दीवा भगवान चप्पल कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं हरिद्वार में।
जुबान को डाल दी, जुबान को डाल दी।
चलेगा तो क्या नहीं चलेगा।
जरा दिल को सुला के ना, जरा मस्ती में आके ना, जरा मन को सुला के ना, नाच मेरे मन नाच अपने गुरु के आगे ना। मेरे को तो बहुत अच्छा लगा दौड़ने में। मेरी जो प्यास थी और बढ़ गई है, उसाट हो गई है। मैं क्या करूं, आप मेरे बच्चे वो ही बताएं, जवाब दें कि अभी मैं क्या करूं, क्या करूं। मेरे को तो बहुत प्यास बढ़ गई है। मैं गांव गांव घूमूं, गली गली घूमूं, शहर शहर घूमूं, बन बन घूमूं और बन बन के जो सहारे लेके बैठे हैं उन सबको आत्मा का सहारा पकड़ा दूं। है ही भगवान। वो मेरे बच्चे घूमेंगे फिरेंगे और एग्जाम देंगे, मेरा आशीर्वाद है। मेरे साथ घूमेंगे, मेरे साथ सत्संग करेंगे। मैं जहाँ भी गया हूँ वहाँ सुबह भगवान की दया से उन्होंने पेपर्स दिए हैं, शाम को मेरा सत्संग सुना है और आशीर्वाद है। उनको बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा करें। सब मेरे साथी जिंदाबाद। है ही भगवान।
जैसे सर्दी में चाहत का कोई कम्बल मोटा सा, मेरी प्यारी दीवा जो है, मेरी प्यारी दीवा जो है।
मैं हूँ आनंद का स्वरूप, मैं हूँ सुख स्वरूप, मैं हूँ शांत स्वरूप, मैं हूँ ज्योति स्वरूप, मैं हूँ ब्रह्म स्वरूप, मैं हूँ सत्य स्वरूप मैं अविनाशी हूँ, मैं निर्विकारी हूँ, मैं अजर हूँ, मैं अमर हूँ, मेरा कभी न होता नाश, मैं सदासत जागृत हूँ। ओम। मैं सारी प्रकृति को प्यार करता हूँ, मैं सबको प्यार करता हूँ, मैं शक्तिशाली हूँ, मैं भगवान का लाल हूँ।
In the history of Sri Shada Shanam Satsang, summer camp has been a wonderful and unusual journey. Dehadyas. Dehadyas means a false superimposition of the characters of physical body, that is birth, death, skin color, etc., onto the Atma, that is soul, and also the false superimposition of the characters of Atma, sentience, existence, onto the physical body. Vachan, the divine statements uttered by a true Satguru, which gives devotees power to overcome their vices and show them the righteous path to attain God. है ही भगवान, God is omnipresent.